we are asked to solve for the value of x and y in this equation. We have 3x minus y is equals to 7 and 2x is equals to 3 minus y. Okay, please, I want to pay attention. The first step here is that I'm going to move this negative y to the other side of the equation. You understand? So let me call this equation 1 and let me call this equation 2. Are you paying attention? So the equation becomes like this: 3x minus y equals to 7. This is equation 1. And equation 2 now becomes 2x. If this y crosses the equals to sign, it's going to change to positive. So I'm going to have positive y is equals to what? 3. Do you understand? Now, we can easily eliminate y again. We can eliminate y because y has the same coefficient with different sign. You understand? And if I want to eliminate y in this case, I'm going to add. Do you understand? So I'm going to add both equation. This I'm going to add plus 3x plus 2x. That will be what? 5x minus y plus y. That will give us what? 0. You understand? So I'm left with what? Equals to 7 plus 3. That will give us 10. Now divide both sides by 5. So x is equals to 2. You understand? Now, having gotten the value of x as 2, we can get the value of y by substituting the value of x into any of these equations. You understand? So let us use equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x. Okay. Equation 1 is 3x minus y equals to 7. Now, when x is 2, I'm going to have 3 into bracket 2 minus y is equals to 7. 6 minus y is equals to 7. Negative y is equals to 7. Now, please pay attention. If this 6 crosses the equals to sign to the right hand side of the equation, the positive sign is going to change to negative sign. So I'm going to have 7 minus 6. Negative y is equals to what? 1. Divide both sides by negative 1. So I'm going to have y is equals to negative 1. Do you understand? So x comma y is what? 2 comma negative 1. The right answer there is option E. You understand? The right answer is option E. Okay. Now let's proceed to another question. Half of x plus 2y is equals to 3. X plus 2y is equals to 1. We are asked to find the value of x plus y. Now I want to pay attention. Looking at this simultaneous equation, you can see that we can easily eliminate y. You understand? The reason is because the coefficient of y is the same and they have the same sign. The coefficient of y in equation 1 is what? Plus 2. The coefficient of y in equation 2 is what? Is also what? Plus 2. In this case, I'm going to subtract. Do you understand? So when we have the same coefficient with the same sign in any of the unknown that we want to eliminate, we subtract. But if they have the same coefficient with different sign, we are going to what? Add. You understand? We are going to add so that we can eliminate the unknown that we want to eliminate. Are you paying attention? So for this, I'm going to subtract. So let's put a subtraction sign. Now, 1 over 2 of x minus x, half of x minus x. Don't forget that half of x is also the same thing as what? X over 2. Okay? X over 2 minus x. This is x over 2 all over x over 1. The LCM is what? 2. Okay? For this, I'm going to have 2 minus, okay, 2 divided by 2. Okay, this will be x. Sorry, x minus 2x. In this case, I'm going to have minus x all over 2. The reason why I show this step is because I want you to understand. Do you understand? Okay? For this, I'm going to have minus x over 2. Now, plus 2y minus plus 2y. That will be what? 0. Okay? Now, 3 minus 1, I'm going to have what? 2. Okay? So, I'm going to have negative x is equals to, for this, I'm going to cross multiply here. Negative x is equals to 2 times 2, that is 4. Do you understand? Negative x times 1, negative x. 2 times 2, 4. Do you understand? So, I'm going to have x is equals to negative 4. I'm very sure you understand how I got this. Divide both sides by negative 1. Do you understand? Because I'm asked to find the value of x plus y. I'm not asked to find the value of negative x plus y. So, and I have that negative x is equals to what? 4. So, I'm going to divide both sides by what? Negative 1. If you divide both sides by negative 1, you're going to have x is equals to negative 4. Do you understand? Okay? Now, having gotten the value of x as negative 4, we can easily get the value of y by substituting x into any of this equation. In this case, I'm going to be using equation 2. So equation 2 is what? X plus 2y is equals to 1. So x plus 2y is equals to 1. When x is negative 4, I'm going to have negative 4 plus 2y is equals to 1. Now, 2y is equals to 1. If this negative 4 crosses the equals to sign, the sign is going to change to positive. So I'm going to have 1 plus what? 4. So 2y is equals to 5. Now, from this point, we can divide both sides by what? 2. If you divide both sides by 2, we are going to have this over 2 and this over 2. So y is equals to what? 2.5. Okay, having gotten the value of x and y, now we can get okay, now we can easily find the value of x plus y now. X plus y is equals to negative 4 plus 2.5. 2.5. Okay, the answer is negative 1.5. Do you understand? If you don't understand, you can punch your calculator. The answer is negative 1.5. Okay, so that will be all for this class. Trust you understand the lesson. If you don't understand, kindly let me know in the comment box. And if you wish to learn anything, maybe you want me to teach on a particular topic that you didn't understand, kindly drop it in the comment box. Okay, see you in the next class. To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay, see you in the next class.